bambi madam promoter totuwoganira twesonyiwire ddala weesonyiwe brand ya Zari tali cheap nga bw'olowooza ndoze no message ejja kutuuka ate kirina oluswayiri olufu oba gwe wabadde ankubira madam promoter kwa nawuliddeyo ankubira mu luswayiri ti bibi anasema biki genda weeyerusize muli kale kyonna kibi so ebyo bye bya madam promoter so madam promoter tukusaba we Ugandans we are not going to support you okay Zari is a true representation of the East African community. She has dated the men across Africa. And she has been successful. So you can't undermine her legacy. They know Zari in Nigeria. They know Zari in Tanzania. They know Zari in South Africa. They even know Zari in Uganda. So why don't Zari Rachtabira chairman wa AU? Zari is fit to be the chairman of the African Union. Ngojo muvuma bwote onga tusirisa. Just abantu abamu mumanyi. You think it's very easy to get men in all those countries. Abasajja bababuzi. Wane Uganda wenyini wova toyina musajja. Now you undermine a woman who has managed okufumba mawanga agasuka mwana aga East Africa na aga Africa. Amatu abamu baweeko credit where it is necessary. Even in Zimbabwe. Even in Zimbabwe. Mbo auntie is a prostitute. Bambi si prostitution. Those are qualities. Now fumba yokali. Nzenjekala abantu abamu wamatu baweeko credit. Tubasime nga bakyali balamu. Omukazi wa kusinga ngo bulungi togamba anti malaya. Abakusinze businze bulungi. Appreciate beauty. So Zari, she's a brand. But Zari was invited in London because what you call achievement of dating in different countries. They date her because of her beauty. Era nange Zari era singa teyalina Shakib. Twandibadde era twakwa yanyirira. Nali sirabangako omugenzi Isima nga afukamidde. Zari yafukamiza Isima. Zari yafukamiza Isima. Sibanagaba nango mukyala awunya bulungi. So Zari, we are behind you. Don't waste time with that promoter atayina sente.